Hey, what's up guys? Custom PC by Josh here. And today we have a Dell G5 gaming desktop. It's not the Alienware one, but I did get this for $150. I bought this off a guy. So basically what he did was he had it for a while and then he parted it out to build his new gaming PC. So I'm not sure what he had in it before, but I'm sure it was an i7. Just by looking at the VRM, he did take the sticker off to let me know what it was, so I don't know. But what he included was obviously the case, a 460 watt power supply, and the motherboard, and then 16 gigs of Samsung RAM. So the only thing that I touched so far that I didn't record was I put a 750 gig hard drive in here. Don't know if you can see it that well, it's right here. And I put a 120 gig SSD in here, and then a 40 gig hard drive that I had laying around that I just threw in here because there was an extra slot and I had no use for it. So basically what we're going to be doing is putting an i5 9400F in it, and then this GTX 970 I got. I was planning on putting this RX 580 8GB in it, but it doesn't fit, as you can tell, and then the 970 barely fits. So that's where we're at with this. So let's get to building.